Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your chat name in Instagram. Whether you want to personalize your conversations or simply update your details, this tutorial has got you covered. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your Instagram application and head to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon on the top right corner or the messenger icon. Now select the chat where you want to change your name. Once you're in the chat, tap on the person's name at the top. Here, you'll see the options to edit name. Simply tap on it and a text box will appear. Once you're happy with your name, tap save and voila, your chat name is updated. If the chat name doesn't appear, it might be that your Instagram application is not updated. So go to your Google Play and simply update your Instagram application and try that. And that's all there is to it. Changing your chat name in Instagram is a breeze. Whether you're adding a personal touch or simply updating your details, it's a great way to keep your conversations fresh.